Hi students, before first exercise completed, now second exercise. Find the square roots of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. In that prime factorization method, we are using all prime numbers. See this one, first one 441. 441. Do LCM. In that LCM use all prime numbers. Why? Because this is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These are all prime numbers. Here using all prime numbers. 2 here not sufficient. 1 is there even place. 3 ones. Here say observe 3 ones. 3 fours 12. 3 sevens 21. Again 3 fours 12. 3 nines. 7 sevens. 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. These are all prime numbers. Prime factorization of prime factorization of 441 equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Find the square root. Square root means root 441 equal to square root of 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. How to remove this square root? Whole square. Square root get cancelled. 3 2 times will be 7 2 times is there. 3 into 7 whole square right 2 times is there. Square root of 3 into 7. 3 2 times 7 2 times. Now square root get cancelled. 3 into 7. 3 sevens 21. Means therefore square root of 441 equal to 21. 21 into 21. 21 square 441. This is prime factorization method. Second one 784. Do this one prime factorization method. Do LCM. In that LCM use all prime numbers. LCM use all prime numbers. Prime factorization. Prime factorization of 784 equal to here LCM 784. Do with the 2 is a prime number. 2 3s, 2 9s, 2 2s, again 2 1s, 2 9s, 2 6, 2 9s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 9s, again last 49, 7 7s, 49. Here all 2 7 are prime numbers. Means write here 2 into 2 into how many times? 4 times. 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. In that square root of means square root of 784 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 2 4 times means 2 into 2 into 7 whole square right. Root means square root get cancelled. 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s 4, 4 7s 28. Means root 784 equal to 28. Here square root get cancelled. 28 square 784. Third question 4096. For that prime factorization means do LCM. In that use all prime numbers only. In that use all prime numbers. 4096 equal to right here do with LCM all 2 table 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times? 12 times. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 times means square root of 4096 equal to means 6 pairs. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Total 6 pairs, 12 twos. Here square root means 2 times 2 pairs whole square, right? 2 into 2 times write one time. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here total another pair will be 6 pairs into 2 whole square. Now square root get cancelled. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. 2 twos 4, 4 twos 8, 8 twos 16, 16 twos 32, 32 twos 64. Means therefore square root of 4096 equal to 64. Means 64 into 64. 4096. 64 whole square. Square root get cancelled. Total square root of 4096 equal to 64. 7056. Fourth one, prime factorization. Prime factorization of 7056 equal to 7056 equal to, do LCM with the prime numbers, means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime numbers. Use for that LCM. We get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Means square root of, find square root. Square root means 7056. Square root of 7056. Write total root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Here take 2 to 1 pair. Means here 2, 2, 3, 3. Means how many times? 2 into 2, 1 pair. Write one time. Into 3, 2 times will be, write one time. 7. So why? Because this is a whole square. Square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. Finally 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So what is that? 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12, 12 7's 84. Means therefore square root of 7056 equal to 84. Means 84 whole square equal to, 84 into 84 will get 7056. 7056. Square root get cancelled. Square root of 7056 value 84. Second question, find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. Answer, given number. Given number equal to 3645. Write this one, prime factors. Prime factors. Prime factors of 3645. Do LCM. We get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 pairs into 5. Still only 1 pair, 5. So how many it is? If in case perfect square means still want only 1 5. Means required number. Here observe, all our pair will be 3, 3, 3. But here still only 1 5. Still want 1 5. Then it is make a perfect square. Means therefore 5 is multiplied. Means 5 multiplied. What number should be multiplied to make it is a perfect square? Means still we want only 1 5. Means 5 is multiplied. 2, 3, 6, 4, 5 to make it a perfect square. Got it? What number should be multiplied 3645 to get a perfect square? Means do LCM. In that LCM use all prime numbers. Why? Because this is prime factorization method. In that LCM 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Still we want only 5. Means 5 numbers should be multiplied to get 3645. It is a perfect square.